Hi everyone, welcome back to LOAEngineer. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to configure Studio 5000 Logix Designer step by step. This tutorial is perfect for beginners who want to start programming Allen-Bradley PLCs. So make sure to watch until the end. First, open Studio 5000 Logix Designer. On the Start page, click New Project to create a new PLC program. In this window, you can see several types of devices, including Factory Talk View, Logix controllers, and Panel View. For this demonstration, I will select ControlLogix. Then choose your controller type. In this example, I'm using ControlLogix 1756081E. Next, give your project a name. Here, I'm selecting Revision 35 and a 4-slot chassis. If you need a redundant CPU, just enable the redundancy feature here. To add a new module to the chassis, just right-click the backplane and choose the module you need. Here, I'm going to add a digital input module, a digital output module, and an analog input module. For the digital input module, I select the 1756 ibone 6. Now, give the module a name. Next, choose the module's slot position. For the digital input module, I choose slot 1. Now, the digital input module is successfully installed in slot 1, as you can see in the I/O configuration. Now, let's add the digital output module to the I/O configuration. Now, give the module a name. Next, choose the module's slot position. I'm placing the digital output module in slot 2 because that slot is available. Then choose the analog input module and place it in slot 3. For the analog input module, select the 1756 IF8. and repeat the previous steps to set the module name and select the slot. Here, in the analog input channel configuration, you can customize the scaling values for each channel according to the signal range you need. You can also choose the input type here, whether it's voltage or current. Here, make sure to select the correct input type for your signal, voltage, or current. If you select voltage as the input type, don't forget to set the voltage range. For example, minus 10 volts to 10 volts, 0 volts to 5 volts, or 0 volts to 10 volts. In the engineering unit section, you can select the unit for your analog input data, for example in %% or PSI. Now, as you can see in the I/O configuration, there are 3 new modules: digital input, digital output, and analog input. Now that the modules have been added, I'll demonstrate a simple program to show how to use their channels. To start, add a new routine and select ladder diagram as the programming type. Open the routine. In rung 0, place a normally open contact linked to the digital input and add a coil connected to the digital output. After inserting the normally open contact, simply double-click it and choose the digital input channel tag you want to use. Then repeat the same step to assign the tag for the coil, which is linked to the digital output channel. Now, add another rung and place AMOV instruction to copy the analog input data into a memory tag. The move instruction will only work when the coil is energized. Set the analog input channel as the source value for the MOV function. After that, add a memory tag and make sure the data type is real. After finishing the program, don't forget to build it to check for any errors. If this error appears, simply insert a JSR instruction into the main routine so the CPU can process the logic in your additional routine. And that's it. You've successfully configured Studio 5000 Logix Designer and created your first program. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to LOAEngineer, and leave a comment if you want more tutorials about Rockwell automation and PLC programming. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.